Pregnancy is a period of psychological stress for a woman as she has to nurture herself as well as her growing fetus. Average calorie requirement for a pregnant woman is between 2200 to 2500 calories per day. So nutritional requirements also increase during pregnancy. A well-balanced diet should be taken during pregnancy, which should include food from all food groups such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Protein requirement during pregnancy is also increased to 78 grams per day. So a pregnant woman should take very good source of protein such as eggs, lean meat, whole pulses, milk and milk products. Calcium requirement is also increased from 600 mg per day to 1200 mg during pregnancy. Calcium is required for the development of bones of fetus. If a pregnant woman is not taking enough calcium in her diet, it will lead to demineralization of her bones, which can lead to problems like osteoporosis and easy fractures later in her life. Good calcium sources such as milk and milk products, nuts and some seeds like sesame seeds should be included in her diet. Iron requirement is also increased to 35 mg per day during pregnancy. So a pregnant woman should include lots of green vegetables, some nuts, some bright color vegetables such as red and yellow pepper, broccoli and some organ meats in her diet. In addition to iron, vitamin C is also required because it helps in the absorption of iron from the food. In first trimester, usually lots of pregnant women face problems such as nausea and vomiting. To avoid all this problem, a pregnant woman should take small and frequent meals instead of large meals. In addition to this, she should be taking some solid carbohydrate like a bread, a biscuit or a fruit first thing in the morning. Constipation is also a common problem during pregnancy. Therefore, fiber intake should be increased in the diet in form of fruits, vegetables, whole grain cereals and pulses. In addition to that, water intake should also be adequate during pregnancy. A pregnant woman should avoid tea and coffee. Processed foods such as maida should be completely avoided. Monosodium glutamate should be completely avoided, which is present mostly in Chinese food during pregnancy.